It's different, isn't it? One down on this thing, isn't it?
Yes.
Christ. My job to touch the floor, okay? Are we away?
Just go. Oh, you should have taken it.
I don't like it. I can't reach the clutch. No.
Give it a bit of a love tap. Hey! Stop being a... well, just take it, unleash the beast, take her down the field quickly, and then come back and tell me what you think. Oi! I really don't think anyone's going to hear that commentary. That is so loud. I have problems. We might hear it when you slow down, but seriously, I could hear you all the way.
You go now,
it's real, proper loud. Oh, what's that?
I feel like rolls of lead.
Oh, really?
Yeah, all right, aren't
they? It's different sort of suspension and grounded different.
It doesn't work like that, is it?
No.
No, it's completely different. There is a bit more. I don't know, it feels a bit more. Oh, yeah. Nearly tore my arms off, but I done it.
Whatever. Look at you. Your shoulders are hanging.
They're hanging, are they?
Yeah.
That's alright now, though, isn't it?
But yeah, now I've got my helmet off. But it's all right, isn't it?
Yeah, you can feel a bit more difference in the rear wall of gears and that now, though, isn't it?
I know that these are pretty much the 170s, just as quick, if not quicker.
Well, there's different gears on it.
But the torque of this, the torque it's got is just different, isn't it? It's easier to ride than one of them.
Oh, let's get some hair out.
Hair? Look at your hair.
It's a bit of hairstyle on a cat, I know. That's alright.
Ah.
Well, I can't help it if I can grow it. It's all natural, isn't it?
Yeah.
Seen it before, haven't we? Hang on, I've got to wipe the brow.
Now, come on then. Your arms feel like lead.
Yeah, I feel better now.
Do you?
What else? Well, I did say I like it, it's red. It's not like traffic gold, is it? But no, it's different through. And there's, oh my god, look at that chain. We can pull it off, can't we?
No.
Ah,
It's because you reverse.
Oh, yeah.
There's the wheel done up.
No idea. Well, the bolt's still on there.
Yeah, no. It was alright when we came out. It's you.
I tore it up with my raw strength.
No, that'd be alright.
I'd be alright like that, yeah. You'd be something with it, couldn't you?
Oh my god.
Yeah, I know.
Edit that out.
No, leave it on.
Ah.
But yeah, they're starting to kick out a bit more now. It snatched for me around that corner though, but the experience kept me on.
Well, your experience. I'm surprised you can even remember how to ride, mate.
Yeah,
You've got your L plate. You've only been out once in like over 12 months. Twice actually. You went on your own one day, I do remember. But you've got your L plates back.
Yeah, I got the L plates.
We need the L plates back on it.
Yeah, I know, but work's calmed down a bit now, isn't it?
What, for the all last summer?
Yeah. Flat out, wouldn't I?
Oh yeah. No, I know, no. Money comes first, it has to. Right then, so that was...
So now let's give a little trial on that little wheel.
Right then, that's it. Bullheads first go, and now we're both just going to have another rip.
And then see what happens.